Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about this product called Olynvolt Pocket. This is the health and wellness product. So I've been using this product for last couple of days, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use this product and what are the benefits of using this product. So, let me keep the packaging aside and let me show you. This is how the product looks like. I know it looks like a bigger AirPods case. So inside that there are a lot of content. In the later part of the video, I'll show you what comes in the box and how you can probably use this device. So this is basically, as I said, this is a health and wellness product, and if you're someone dealing with pain like on back and shoulders or any area of the body, then you can use this device to experience a professional massage. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. This video includes the unboxing, and also if you want to order this product, you can use my coupon code AD25 to get 25% extra discount on the product price, and I will give you the product link in the video description as well. From there you can go ahead and order this product, and the company has said me that the shipping charges and everything will be free, and if you don't like, you can also return the product. It's an easy return policy. So in this video I'll talk more about this product, so let's get right to the unboxing, and also at the later part of the video I'll show you how you can use this product and what are the details, what comes in the box, and in which areas of the body you can use this pocket massager. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so here is the unboxing of this product, Olynvolt Pocket. So as I mentioned before, this is a health and wellness product, and in this way you receive the packaging. It's in a very neat and clean looking design, and also the box looks very clean. So let me just open the box. As you can see, I've just removed the packet, and once I remove the box, you get the below content. Alright, so once you open the box, you're greeted with this little manual how to use the product. It's mentioned Olynvolt Pocket, and you have to keep this handy, right? Because you have a lot of instruction how to use this device, what are there in the box, all about that. We'll take a look at this later. Apart from that, we have our main device wrapped nicely in a packet. So let me just open that quickly and show you. Alright. So it looks like a bigger AirPod, to be honest. We'll take a look at this later. Apart from that, in the box, we have a charger, I believe. Yes. So you can also charge this device. So it's an USB-C. So with existing mobile charger or any charger that you might have around, you can charge this device. So let's take a look at this device. Now it's a very clean design. As I said before, it comes in this white color. So it's mentioned the company name Olynvolt and nothing else in the back. So here we have a charging port where your USB-C will go if you want to charge this. So once you open this, this is how it looks like. So in this you have got two discs. So it looks like a little tablet build, right? Just a little bigger. So one more, as you can see, and there are two pads. And let me tell you all about the design of this disc. So let me take one of the discs. As you can see, these are very lightweight. So once you put this around the pain area, you won't feel the weight. So you have a power button to power this on. You also have plus or minus symbol to increase or decrease the strength. You have got here M symbol to change the mode. So you've got different modes, and you can change the level of intensity, and this is how the disc looks like. And if you look at the back, there are these two attachments, so it gets attached very nicely. It's a magnetic thing, so it will automatically get attached, right? So this is one pad. So basically there's a thin paper over here, so you have to just remove it, and you have to put it on the pain area, and you have to just start it. So that's how the product looks like. In the later part of the video, I'll just demonstrate how you can put it to use, and according to the box content, as you can see, this is very convenient. If you're traveling, if you're going somewhere, you can just carry it in a bag and then you can go. So maybe after long working hours, or maybe you are exercising a lot and then you have got injury in one of the body parts, then you can definitely use this device. So let's move on to the next part of the video. So as you can see, this is the product itself. So this is the charging case. Inside this you'll get two discs and two pads, right? So let me just first take out the discs. So this looks like this, and these are the charging pad. As I showed you before, this is the charging port. So now how to use this is very simple to use. So you just take one of the charging pads and one disc. So as you can see, there are two connectors over here, and this is magnetically attachable, right? So you just attach this, and there is a protective film, right? So you have to remove that protective film. So like that you have to remove, and make sure that this protective film you keep it somewhere safe, because this is not one time use. So this is how the pad looks like. So now you have to put this on in your body like this. So I'm just giving you an example. I'm just gonna put it on my hand. So let's suppose I have this is the pain region, right? So you have to put it like that, and as I said before, you can either keep it somewhere safe or you can store it in the case itself. So once you put this on, as I showed you before, there are 4 options over here. It looks like a wristwatch. Basically you have the power option through which you have to power this on and off. You have M, so you can change the modes. There are different and multiple modes over here, and plus and minus symbol to increase or decrease the strength of this massager. So let me just power this on. So once I power this on, it gives you a beep sound, and you will be able to see there's a orange light glowing. So now if you don't feel anything initially, so you have to increase the strength, right? So let me just increase the strength. So once you increase the strength, so you'll feel a vibration. So don't get scared. It is supposed to be like that. You can choose the intensity to be high or low. So at the moment I have set the intensity to be 3rd level. So there are 6 level of intensity. So at the end of 6th level, you'll get a buzz. So you'll know that it has reached the maximum intensity. So same time you can change the mode. So for changing the mode, you have to press this M option. So it will go to the next mode. So in the next mode, it will again start from 0 intensity. So that means you have to again press the plus symbol to increase the intensity. In each mode, you'll feel a different vibration. So depending on the pain region, maybe on the shoulder, maybe on the back, you can use this device like that. So this is just an example, and there are other charging pad and the other disc as well. So there are a pair of one. So maybe you are using this on one hand, or maybe the other one on somewhere else. So that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing and the demonstration how you can use this product. Basically, as I said before, this is a health and wellness product, and if you want to purchase this product, again, the links will be in the video description below. And as I mentioned before, you can use my code AD25 in order to get 25% extra discount. So then again, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.